Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure it's unlocked and has at least 20% battery so you won't be interrupted. Once ready, open Settings and go to System or About Phone. You need to reach Developer Options. If Developer Options are not visible, tap build number 7 times. This enables the menu. You do this because debugging is controlled there. Making Developer Options visible is the first actionable step to turn debugging off. Now move to Developer Options once it appears. You are now inside Developer Options. Scroll to the Debugging section where USB debugging lives. Toggle off USB debugging and accept any confirmation dialog. This stops ADB connections immediately. Make sure to also check for wireless debugging or network ADB and switch that off if it's enabled, because leaving it on still exposes debug access. Once done, double-check the toggles show off. This ensures your device no longer responds to debugging tools. Finish by rebooting the device to ensure any active debug sessions are terminated and settings take effect. If USB debugging re-enables after reboot, you may have a management profile, automation app, or developer tool that restores it. Check installed apps and device administration settings. If you suspect an app, boot into safe mode to isolate it, then uninstall or revoke its permissions. This solves most stubborn cases and keeps your device secure by preventing unauthorized debugging access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.